Hey guys, what's up? I know that it's been some time now since I have posted anything, and that's because I've been working on trying to figure out what's next in my life and how I'm going to move forward with JTurn Jake. For the last 2 years, I've been working with an amazing company, Food Mesh, who helps divert food waste, and developing a web app with them. As my passions have changed, I ended up figuring out a new avenue of work, which is through TaskRabbit, doing Ikea furniture assembly, which I'm a big nerd for and love it. And so what I love a lot about it too, aside from the furniture assembly part, is the flexibility and the availability time, and I get to pretty much just choose my hours. So if I need time to work on JTurn Jake, I can just work on JTurn Jake and not even worry about, you know, potentially being called for issues or anything, right? So I get to do more time doing this stuff, which I'm super excited about, because my creative side has kind of taken a little bit of a backseat for a bit. And to be honest, I was being a bit lazy. I probably could have done some more JTurn Jake stuff, but I decided to just relax mostly in my downtime, which is okay in my own right. I accept that. But now it's time for me I really want to be out here on video more and trying to inspire you guys, pushing you to move forward in your life, to live the best versions of yourselves. So yeah, that's my little update. I got more things going on. I'm still working out. I'm doing the intermittent fasting right now, not really on keto if you're curious. I've been eating a lot of carbs and more sugar lately, which is kind of bad, so I want to reduce my sugar intake by about 90% by next year. So yeah, I've just been working on becoming more clear with my goals, trying to figure out more what's coming up in the future, and been doing a complete J-turn right now in my life, like a mental shift and physical shifts, career shifts. It's a lot of things happening right now. And so I apologize that I haven't been around. I've been trying to get, posts out, but some exciting things coming up. I want to be so much more creative in my videos for you guys. I have some weird ideas that I want to put together, and I'm gonna have to learn some more skills to be able to put those weird ideas, but weird but inspiring ideas together, something that you might not expect. And then I want to take this online influencing thing to the next level. So in October, I'm super excited. I'm going to go fly to San Diego, and I'm going to be learning from the people that inspire me the most: Brendan Burchard, Tom Bilyeu, and Lewis Howes, I believe, and a couple of others. But I'm super excited and pumped up because I want to take this part of my life to the next level, so that if I'm moving to the next level, I'm able to give you guys even more content, information that you want to learn from me. And yeah, I'm just super pumped up, guys. And if you have any questions for me and you want to know anything else about what's going on, just post in the comments below. If you are not following me yet, why don't you hit those buttons to do so? And if you're in Canada, happy Canada Day. I hope you enjoy your summer, and I hope you enjoy the videos that are going to be coming your way.